How's it going, buddy? It's Tim. And in just a tip this week, we're going to look at putting chapters into your videos. So this is where you can tell YouTube what sections are in your video and what time they're at, and then it helps people to navigate through. So like in my recent video, which was the how to photograph a bottle for e-commerce, there's two main sections. There's like a how to photograph the bottle, and there's how to edit the bottle. Scroll down the bottom here so you can see the different time codes come up. And this is super simple to do. All you need to do is scroll down, and in the description here you'll see where I've got the time codes. Now if you go 00:00, and then what that section is, then from that follow that format down for the different sections, and YouTube does the rest. All you need to do is be absolutely sure you've got 00:00 and the first description, and from there YouTube does it, and there we go. You can scroll through the video and you can see the clips there. And here's another example. Here's my camera angles video, and again, split into sections. Now this also has a benefit. Sometimes it's in Google search results, so you're also increasing the chances that specific bits of your videos get picked up by Google and served in search results, which can only be a good thing, right? So, super quick video. Hope you found it useful. If you want more like this, hit subscribe. And if you like the video, hit like. I mean, how else will I know if you liked it? Until next time, have an awesome week, and I'll catch you later. See ya.